Imagine you're standing on the deck of a sea monster, where every grain of the most advanced technology has been applied to create an unstoppable war machine. It's not just an aircraft carrier. It's a symbol of military power, innovation, and the pinnacle of U.S. technology. Welcome to the USS Gerald R, the most powerful aircraft carrier in the world. USS Gerald R. CVN-78 is the first aircraft carrier in the Ford class, the newest and most advanced class of aircraft carriers in the U.S. Navy, replacing the Nimitz class that served for decades. The Ford class is designed with significant improvements over previous carriers, particularly in terms of technology, performance, and operational capabilities. USS Gerald R. is 337 meters, 1,106 feet long, equivalent to more than 3 football fields laid end-to-end. It is one of the largest ships ever built. The ship has a displacement of approximately 100,000 tons, meaning when it floats, it displaces a volume of water equal to 100,000 tons. This weight is equivalent to about 20,000 African elephants. The deck of the USS Gerald R. spans more than 4.5 acres, enough to accommodate and operate multiple fighter jets simultaneously. Standing on the ship feels like being on a floating city, showcasing the grandeur and magnificence of this vessel. USS Gerald R. is equipped with a range of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing performance and combat capabilities, as well as improving working conditions for the crew. Magnetic Aircraft Launch System (MALS). This is a major improvement over the steam-powered catapult systems on Nimitz-class carriers. MALS uses magnetic force to launch aircraft faster, more smoothly, and with less wear on the planes. Advanced Arresting Gear AAG. Designed to catch aircraft more smoothly and safely, AAG reduces the strain on the aircraft's structure during landing, extending their lifespan and boosting operational performance. Radar and sensors. USS Gerald R. is equipped with the AN/SPY-3 and AN/SPY for radar systems, providing long-range target tracking and detection capabilities for aircraft, missiles. Power supply. The ship is powered by 2 A-1B nuclear reactors, providing more electricity than the reactors on Nimitz-class ships. This not only allows the operation of advanced systems like MALS and AAG, but also reserves energy for future technologies like laser weapons or railguns. USS Gerald R. is not just a tool of war, but also a symbol of the strength and influence of the United States Navy across the globe. National symbol. Named after the 38th President of the United States, Gerald R. This ship carries the legacy of one of the nation's key leaders. Gerald R. helped the country navigate through difficult times following the Watergate scandal and played a vital role in restoring confidence in the American political system. Global naval power. With the ability to project air power anywhere in the world, USS Gerald R. is a crucial part of the U.S. strategy of maintaining power at sea, helping protect international shipping lanes and ensuring global security. Floating city with over 5,000 people living and working on board. The USS Gerald R. is truly a floating city at sea. The ship is fully equipped with amenities, including living quarters, dining facilities, a hospital, and recreational areas. Energy and resource management. Thanks to advanced technology, the ship can efficiently manage resources, including fresh water and food supplies, ensuring continuous operation during long campaigns. The USS Gerald R. is a technological marvel, combining power, durability, and combat readiness, while also representing the spirit of innovation and the strength of the US Navy. This ship not only bears the responsibility of protecting the nation, but also stands as a symbol of maritime. But launching aircraft is only half of the story. Safely landing on a moving deck is just as crucial a task. The Advanced Arresting Gear AAG system, the USS Gerald R provides the solution. Unlike traditional hydraulic arresting systems, the AAG uses electric motors and generators to catch aircraft more smoothly, safely, and efficiently. This not only extends the lifespan of the aircraft, but also gives pilots greater confidence when landing. Before diving into the AAG, it's important to understand the basics of traditional hydraulic arresting systems. On previous aircraft carriers, a series of cables were stretched across the deck, which the aircraft needed to catch when landing by hooking onto a special tailhook. Once the aircraft caught the cable, the hydraulic system would decelerate the aircraft quickly but gradually to avoid damaging its structure. However, this system had its limitations, including high wear and frequent maintenance needs. Moreover, the control over the arresting force wasn't optimal, sometimes placing excessive strain on both the aircraft and the pilot. The AAG on the USS Gerald R represents a significant technological leap from traditional hydraulic systems. Instead of using hydraulics, the AAG employs electric motor and generator technology to adjust the arresting force. Electric motors. The AAG uses electric motors to control the speed of the arresting cables, allowing for smoother deceleration. This reduces the strain on the aircraft's structure during landing, thereby extending the aircraft's lifespan. Generators. When the aircraft catches the cable, energy is converted into electricity via generators, allowing for precise control of the stopping force. This not only improves the system's performance, but also helps save energy. The AAG offers several outstanding advantages over traditional hydraulic systems. Increased safety. With precise control over arresting forces, the AAG reduces the risk of damaging aircraft, providing better protection for both pilots and aircraft during difficult landings. Reduced maintenance. Since it uses electric motors and generators instead of hydraulic systems, the AAG requires less maintenance, lowering operational costs and improving the carrier's overall efficiency. Greater flexibility. The AAG can accommodate a wide variety of aircraft, from modern fighter jets to unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), enhancing naval operations flexibility. For pilots, the AAG provides greater peace of mind during carrier landings. The system's ability to decelerate aircraft smoothly and safely reduces pilot stress, especially in poor weather conditions or when the carrier is moving at high speeds. In the context of naval operations, the AAG significantly improves the combat readiness of the USS Gerald R. With this advanced arresting system, the carrier can operate for longer periods without the need for system maintenance, while also minimizing risks and enhancing combat effectiveness. The Advanced Arresting Gear AAG system, the USS Gerald R. is not just a crucial technological improvement, but a key factor in increasing the performance and safety of modern aircraft carriers. With the AAG, the U.S. Navy can rest assured that their pilots will land safely and efficiently under any conditions, ensuring that the USS Gerald R. remains a powerful force at sea for years to come. Protecting an aircraft carrier, especially one as significant as the USS Gerald R. CVN-78, is an essential task in any naval operation. The safety of the ship not only ensures combat readiness, but also protects thousands of sailors, aircraft, and advanced weapon systems operating on board. To fulfill this mission, The USS Gerald R is equipped with a range of modern radar and defense systems, forming a comprehensive protection network. 1N SPY-3 and N SPY for radar systems. The N SPY-3 is a cutting-edge radar system developed to detect and track aerial and surface threats in real time. Operating in the X-band frequency, it can detect smaller targets and offers higher resolution than conventional radars. With the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously, the NSPY-3 can detect aircraft, cruise missiles, and even submarines when they surface. This capability is critical in protecting the aircraft carrier from threats coming from multiple directions. NSPY for complementing the NSPY-3 is the NSPY for radar system, which operates in the S-band frequency. The NSPY-4 is designed to track long-range targets, particularly ballistic missiles and high-altitude airborne threats. This system offers a broader surveillance range, creating an overall picture of the combat environment surrounding the ship. The combination of NSPY-3 and NSPY-4 forms a multi-band radar system, providing accurate and timely information to the ship's defense systems. Close-in Weapon System SIBS. The CIWS Close-in Weapon System serves as one of the last lines of defense for the USS Gerald R against missile, aircraft, and fast-moving targets. Known as phalanx, the CIWS uses a 20mm Gatling gun capable of firing thousands of rounds per minute. This system is equipped with its own radar to automatically detect, track, and neutralize incoming threats at close range. The CIWS acts as the final protective layer when other defense systems fail to eliminate a threat. With its rapid-fire capabilities and high accuracy, the CIWS plays a key role in defending the ship from surprise attacks by cruise missiles and low-flying targets. The RIM-160 ESS-M Evolved Sea Sparrow missile is a short to medium-range air defense missile system designed to protect the ship from enemy aircraft and missiles. With high speed and maneuverability, the ESS-M can destroy targets at greater distances than the CIWS, providing an additional layer of protection. The ESS-M missiles are launched from vertical launch systems VLS on the ship, allowing multiple missiles to be fired simultaneously to engage threats from different directions. The ESS-M system works in coordination with the NSPY-3 and NSPY for radar systems to detect and eliminate threats before they reach the ship. The Mk-15 Phalanx is another close-in defense system similar to the CIWS, but with more advanced technology. The Phalanx uses a 20mm Gatling gun like the CIWS, but it is optimized to neutralize missiles and aircraft at close range. This system is equipped with radar and infrared sensors, allowing it to automatically detect and track targets. The Phalanx can eliminate high-speed targets, providing a crucial layer of protection against fast and unexpected threats. The combination of the CIWS and Phalanx creates a multi-layered defense network, ensuring that the USS Gerald R is comprehensively protected from any danger. The importance of a comprehensive defense network with the integration of advanced radar and close-in defense systems, the USS Gerald R is equipped to counter all types of threats from the air, sea, and underwater. This defense network not only ensures the safety of the ship and crew, but also enhances the ship's combat capabilities in all situations. This system allows the USS Gerald R to operate in high-risk areas while maintaining its role as a powerful deterrent on a global scale. With such advanced radar and defense systems, the USS Gerald R at sea is a giant monster, fearless of anything at sea. Any enemy must fear it, and this is also the strength of the US military at sea. The USS Gerald R. CVN-78 represents a major advancement in naval technology, and one of the most crucial elements powering the ship is its advanced nuclear propulsion system. This innovation not only enhances combat capabilities, but also ensures superior operational flexibility and efficiency. The USS Gerald R. is equipped with two A-1B nuclear reactors, an upgraded version of the A-4W reactor used on the earlier Nimitz-class carriers. The A-1B system, designed by Westinghouse Electric Company, is one of the most advanced naval nuclear reactors in the world. Each A-1B reactor generates a massive amount of power, enough to supply the entire ship's needs, from propulsion to weapon systems and the crew's electronic and living utilities. With a higher overall power output than the A-4W reactor, the A-1B allows the USS Gerald R. to reach maximum speeds of over 30 knots, about 56 kilometers per hour. This enables the carrier to quickly deploy and execute missions in any region around the globe. One of the standout features of the A-1B reactor system is its long operational lifespan. These reactors can operate for up to 25 years without needing to be refueled. This provides a strategic advantage for the USS Gerald R. allowing the ship to engage in prolonged military operations without the need to return to base for refueling. Nuclear propulsion offers numerous advantages over conventional propulsion systems, especially in the context of modern naval operations. High autonomy, with the ability to operate for extended periods without refueling, the USS Gerald R. can travel to distant waters, independent of refueling routes or support bases. This enables the ship to maintain a presence in strategic areas, ensuring rapid response to emerging threats. Flexible maneuverability, nuclear propulsion allows the USS Gerald R. to move at high speeds without being constrained by fuel supply. This speed and flexibility are critical in combat situations, enabling the carrier to swiftly approach or retreat from hotspots efficiently. Since there is no need to store large amounts of fossil fuels like on diesel-powered ships, the USS Gerald R. can utilize its onboard space for other purposes, such as increased aircraft, weapon, and military equipment capacity. This also reduces logistical burdens, enhancing the ship's ability to sustain combat operations. One of the greatest advantages that the nuclear propulsion system provides for the USS Gerald R. is its ability to maintain continuous operations during prolonged missions. Conventional aircraft carriers must undergo refueling, which can interrupt combat operations. However, with the A-1B reactors, the USS Gerald R. can maintain uninterrupted activity, ensuring its combat readiness at all times. With continuous operation and high speed, the USS Gerald R. can respond quickly to emergencies, moving to critical areas without worrying about fuel supply. This enhances the ship's effectiveness in national security missions and maintaining U.S. presence in global waters. With the A-1B nuclear reactor, the USS Gerald R. is not only an automatic aircraft carrier, capable of self-sufficiency, self-powering the engine to move without needing external energy. This is the true power of the ship, a monster on the ocean. USS Gerald R. is not just a ship, but a symbol of the strength, technology, and determination of the United States Navy. It is the largest aircraft carrier in the world, equipped with the most advanced technology and weapons today. It is considered a monster on the ocean and is the pride of America. The US government has invested a lot of money, human resources, and enthusiasm in this ship. Through many years of improvement and development, until now the ship is known as the King of the Sea, named USS Gerald R. CVN-78.